Mbi ụwa ọzọ mama wugo onye Igbo mme were isi pịa n'ala m pịa isi na korota. How can I survive without being an Igbo? Gị wụrụ onye Igbo nne dị aka n'obi. See, I am proud to be an Igbo. Always be proud of who you are. Don't let their political sentiments, put you in a mood or something like that. Be proud of yourself. It's not easy. If you think it's easy, come and become an Igbo man. And in my next world, in my next generation, I will always be Igbo. Ndakwa ụwa ọzọ, mbi ụwa ọzọ, mama wugo onye Igbo, mme were isi pịa n'ala m, pịa isi na korota. How can I survive without being an Igbo? How will I be feeling? Imagine, nnọkọta, mbịa, ana-akọrido akụkọ ha akọ. I will be an Igbo man in my next world. I will be Igbo man in my next world. I will be an Igbo man in my next world. I will be an Igbo man in my next world. I will be an Igbo man. It's not easy. What is it? Come on, bro, now. Do you know what it means? Our ancestors all gone in the war. We started afresh as nobody. No one to guide us. No one to help us. No one to give us the true means of life. We are struggling to survive on our own. And you say we like money. My brother, if I were you, I would never accuse me for trying to survive. Survive in a society that had no plan for me. No political plan. No economic plan. No good plan for me. So I have to struggle on my own way to make it. Planning to these days is how to make it only Igbo. And I'm still surviving. Kudos to me. It's not easy.